back to my channel!
Hi, Tabitha!
Hi!
What are we doing today?
We're making lip balms.
Yes, we're making lip balms for Valentine's Day! Okay, so what do we need?
We need coconut oil.
Yes, we need coconut oil. And what flavors are we making?
We're making
This one? Vanilla.
and
Nutella.
Nutella.
Yes, and strawberry and milk chocolate kiss and cherry chocolate kiss.
Yes!
Excited?
Yes!
And what other things are we going to need?
We need hearts for lip balms.
Yes, heart containers
And you have to close
for
it.
lip balms.
When you put in your lips.
And close it there.
Close it and so it will not dry.
Yes. And we need measuring spoons, a small whisk,
This.
and a spatula. And a cup or a bowl. Ready?
Yes!
Let's begin!
Yes!
What flavor are we making first?
Vanilla.
Okay, let's do that. Vanilla. First, we scoop a spoonful of coconut oil for the base.
Yes.
Put it in the cup or bowl.
Vanilla.
Okay, let's put vanilla. A little bit. And now you mix it.
Ready to scoop it out, Mommy.
Okay, let's scoop it out and put it in this hard container. Go.
Now here's our vanilla coconut lip balm.
Smell it. Smells like vanilla and coconut.
I want to put it in my lip.
You wanna try it? Okay, try. What does it taste like?
It tastes like coconut and vanilla.
Yes, coconut and vanilla. And we made it. Okay, let's cover it. Let's put the awesome cover. You wanna keep it for yourself or give it to Daddy?
I just want to keep it.
Okay.
Milk chocolate lip balm.
Let's make the milk chocolate kiss lip balm.
Yes, and I'm going to just open it.
Okay, and you put it in the cup.
Yes.
And you add a spoonful of coconut oil. And now we have to put this bowl in the microwave for a few seconds to melt these together. It's back from the microwave and now let's mix them.
Look, this is a yummy one.
Let's put it in the container.
Yes.
Pour it. Be careful. And the liquid state. So we have to put it in the fridge to solidify it. Yes, to make it solid.
Yes.
Let's cover it and put it in the fridge. Go. Too sweet.
Now let's do the chocolate test.
Okay. And we're using the same bowl because they're both chocolate. Put coconut oil. Cherry chocolate and coconut oil. And now let's put it in the microwave. So it's back from the microwave and now we'll mix.
Yes.
Wanna mix?
Yes.
Okay, you mix. Careful, okay? Oh, the cherry filling is not really melting with chocolate and coconut oil, so I think we just remove it, okay?
Yes.
Remove the cherry bit, but I bet this chocolate already has the cherry flavor.
Now just pour it.
Okay, which heart?
This one.
That one? What does it say? Text me, it says. Okay, let's pour it. Put the heart there. Put it there. Can I pour it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it this time. Put it in the fridge
Yes.
to make it solid, okay?
Continue to toast it. Okay. And let's make Nutella.
Let's make Nutella flavored lip balm. How much Nutella are we going to put? How about a teaspoon of Nutella?
Yes.
Okay. It looks so yummy. think that's enough. Okay, put it here. Yummy, right?
Taste it.
Super yummy. Now let's put what? This one, coconut oil.
Yes.
There's our Nutella and coconut oil, and now we have to put it in the microwave. And it's back from the microwave, and we have to mix it. Okay, you do it. Mix, 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 mix.
Now let's put it in this heart.
Okay, which one? This says XOXO, hugs and kisses. Let's put it. I'll pour it for you, okay? Put the heart there. Let's pour it. So now we have to put it in the fridge to make it solid.
Yes. It's strawberry.
Let's do the strawberry, and for this lip balm flavor we're using juice concentrate 10. Okay, let's scoop out a bit or just sprinkle a bit.
I'm going to put it.
Okay, but just put a little bit. Put a little bit of water so that it will turn red.
It's red.
Yeah, let's put just enough to make a paste. Now put some coconut oil.
The bunch of it.
Okay, so this is what we have now. The strawberry paste has mixed in with the coconut oil.
Just say strawberry sand.
It looks like strawberry sand.
Yes.
And what does it smell like? Like fresa colada.
What?
Yeah, it's strawberry with coconut. That's what it smells like. Mmm, smells so yummy. Tabitha is mixing it really, really fast. We can put it in the container now, or we can melt it so it'll be easier to pour in the container. What do you think? Okay, let's put it in the microwave. Here it is. We melted it up a bit in the microwave. And now let's put it in the container.
Let's mix it first. Faster.
No, I think it's ready to be placed in the container. Oh, let's put it.
Ooh.
Oh, more.
Not too much.
Hey, that's not enough. Here, cutie pie. We have cutie pie and we have you rock. So which one? Cutie pie?
Yes.
Oh, you want you rock. Okay.
Yes, I finished products.
These are all the lip balms that we made. This one's vanilla,
Yes, this is chocolate
milk chocolate,
and
cherry chocolate, Nutella, and strawberry. Wanna try them?
yes, I'm trying this one first.
Okay. Let's see if it has a reddish tint on the lips. Try it on the lips. Not really. Okay. Put some more. Let's see if it's reddish. Oh yes, I think a little bit. What does it taste like?
Strawberry.
Tastes like strawberry?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
And it's super glossy. And which one do you want to try next?
This chocolate.
Okay, that's Nutella. It's not chocolate, it's Nutella.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a light one, right?
Yes. How is it?
It's chocolate with vanilla.
Not really, it's Nutella, silly. And wanna try the others?
Yes.
Okay.
This one's the best and this one's the best.
Okay. How about the cherry chocolate?
It's not very bad.
It's not very good, the cherry chocolate.
No, this one is not really bad.
Oh, it's not bad or not good?
It's not bad.
Oh, it's not bad. Okay, not bad. How about the milk chocolate?
Hey, this is a lot.
Okay, try it.
It's not bad too.
It's not bad?
Yes.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like drop. Yikes. What's the touch?
It's chocolate kiss.
Chocolate chips, most the better.
What? Most the better?
Yes.
And this one's vanilla. You don't like it? You already tried it before, right? It tastes like coconut and vanilla.
This one.
Like it?
I like this better.
I think I like the vanilla.
Let me try this.
What's that one? Nutella?
No.
That's good. Yes, it is Nutella.
Try it.
I already tried it. It's super yummy. Nice, right? Is that your favorite?
Yes.
The Nutella flavor?
And also this strawberry. You want to mix them together.
What? Did you have fun making all these lip balms?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
I'm gonna do yapons or making yapons.
Oh, comment down below if you like to make lip balms. Do you think this will make great gifts for Valentine's Day?
Yes.
Yes, I think so too.
Yes.
And they're very easy to make, right?